If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool by hand, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best robotic pool cleaners you can buy right now, focusing on cleaning performance, ease of use, and overall value so you can pick the right one for your pool. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Polaris 9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner, automatic vacuum for in-ground pools up to 60 feet, 70-foot swivel cable, remote control, wall climbing vac W/strong suction and easy access debris canister. The Polaris 9550 Sport is best known in the United States for being a more premium, feature-rich robotic pool cleaner designed for larger in-ground pools and heavier cleaning demands. In the American pool market, Polaris has built a strong reputation among homeowners who want powerful automated cleaning combined with more advanced control features. This is the kind of robotic cleaner often purchased by large suburban homeowners, luxury pool owners, families with heavily used pools, people living in warm weather states, homeowners tired of manual vacuuming. In real-world US use, the Polaris 9550 Sport is commonly cleaning large in-ground pools, deep-end pools, pools with heavy leaf debris, backyard entertainment pools, high-use family swimming pools. One of the biggest strengths is the strong suction and aggressive cleaning coverage. Compared to entry-level robotic cleaners, this unit feels more powerful and more capable of handling leaves, dirt, sand, twigs, heavy seasonal debris. That matters a lot in American neighborhoods with large trees or windy outdoor conditions. Another major advantage is the wall climbing and waterline cleaning performance. Many pool owners don't realize how much grime builds up near the waterline until a robot consistently scrubs it. The swivel cable system is another practical upgrade. One of the most annoying things with robotic pool cleaners can be tangled cords. The swivel cable helps reduce twisting and improves movement across larger pools. The remote control capability is also appealing for American buyers who want more direct control over cleaning patterns and navigation. Number 2. BetaSA solar-powered automatic robotic pool surface skimmer cleaner with 24/7 continuous cleaning battery power and re-engineered twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors. The BetaSA is best known in the United States for doing something most robotic pool cleaners don't focus on: automatically cleaning debris from the surface of your pool using solar power. And honestly, for a lot of American pool owners, surface debris is the thing they notice most every single day. Leaves, bugs, pollen, grass clippings, flower petals, and floating dirt can make even a clean pool look messy within hours, especially during summer. In real-world US use, the BetaSA is especially popular in suburban backyards with trees, warm weather states, homes with open outdoor landscaping, pools near gardens, backyard entertainment areas, homes dealing with constant floating debris. One of the biggest reasons Americans buy this cleaner is the 24/7 automatic skimming concept. Traditional robotic pool cleaners usually focus on the pool floor and walls, but floating debris often remains visible throughout the day. The BetaSA constantly patrols the surface collecting debris before it sinks. For pool owners in states like Florida, Texas, Georgia, California, Arizona, where pools stay open most of the year, this can noticeably improve daily pool appearance. Another major advantage is the solar-powered operation. Many American buyers like the idea of reducing cords, charging routines, and electricity usage. During sunny conditions, the unit continuously recharges while operating. The twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors are also important because many US pools now use salt water systems instead of traditional chlorine-only setups. Number 3. Wibot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools, above-ground pool cleaner 4-in-1 wall and waterline cleaning up to 1,614 square feet, 150 minutes smart navigation, app support. The Wibot C1 is best known in the United States for offering a cordless robotic pool cleaning experience with smart navigation and full wall-to-waterline cleaning capabilities. In the American pool market, cordless robotic cleaners have become increasingly popular because many homeowners are tired of dealing with tangled cables and complicated setup routines. In real-world US use, the Wybot C1 is commonly cleaning medium to large in-ground pools, backyard family pools, modern suburban pools, saltwater pools, pools with frequent daily use. One of the biggest advantages is the cordless design. Traditional robotic pool cleaners often involve long floating cables that twist, tangle, get snagged, create storage frustration. The Wybot C1 removes that issue entirely, which immediately makes the ownership experience feel simpler for many American buyers. Another major strength is the 4-in-1 cleaning coverage. It handles pool floors, walls, water lines, general debris collection. For busy U.S. homeowners, automated waterline cleaning is especially valuable because that's where oils, sunscreen residue, and grime often build up visibly. The smart navigation system is another important feature. Cheaper robotic cleaners sometimes move randomly and inefficiently, missing sections of the pool. Smarter pathing improves cleaning consistency and battery efficiency. The app support also appeals to modern American buyers who increasingly expect smartphone control for home equipment. Battery runtime is another practical advantage. The 150-minute cleaning time is usually enough for many residential in-ground pools. Number 4. Hayward W3 PVS20 JST Pulvergnuggen Suction Pool Cleaner, automatic vacuum for in-ground pools up to 16 by 32 feet. The Hayward Pulvergnuggen is best known in the United States for being a traditional suction-side automatic pool cleaner that works directly with your existing pool pump system. Unlike robotic pool cleaners with smart electronics and motors, this cleaner takes a simpler, more old-school approach to pool maintenance. And for many American homeowners, that simplicity is actually the appeal. In real-world US use, this cleaner is commonly found in suburban in-ground pools, older pool systems, budget-conscious households, pools with existing strong pump systems, homes wanting lower-tech reliability. One of the biggest strengths is the simple mechanical operation. There are no batteries, no charging cycles, no smart apps, no onboard electronics. For many American pool owners, especially older homeowners, that simplicity can feel much easier to manage long-term. The cleaner connects to your pool's suction system and automatically moves around collecting debris. Another advantage is reduced maintenance complexity compared to fully robotic cleaners. There are fewer electronic components that could potentially fail over time. Number 5. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, Wall Climbing Scrubber Brush, Top Load Filter Access, ideal for above/in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length. The Dolphin Nautilus CC is one of the most well-known robotic pool cleaners in the United States, and it's best known for offering simple, reliable automated pool cleaning without requiring a complicated setup or built-in pool system integration. In the US market, robotic pool cleaners have become increasingly popular because maintaining a backyard swimming pool in America can quickly turn into a weekly chore, especially during hot summer months when pools get heavy daily use. And the Dolphin Nautilus CC is often viewed as one of the most approachable options for homeowners who want to stop manually vacuuming their pool every weekend. In real-world American households, this cleaner is commonly used in suburban backyard pools, family homes, vacation properties, retirement communities, above-ground pools, smaller in-ground pools. One of the biggest reasons US buyers choose this model is the plug-and-play simplicity. A lot of pool equipment can feel intimidating or overly technical. The Nautilus CC keeps things straightforward. Drop it into the pool, plug it in, and let it clean. So those are 5 of the best robotic pool cleaners available right now. If one fits your pool setup, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still not sure which one to choose, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.